If you're thinking about buying a Momcozy product, there are 7 things you need to know before making your decision. Stick around till the end, and I'll share insights that could save you both time and money, especially if you're comparing it to similar products on the market. Plus, I'll tell you where you can get the best offer for Momcozy and try it completely for free. First things first, Momcozy is well known for its innovative designs, especially for new parents looking for reliable, affordable, and user-friendly solutions. But what sets it apart from its competitors, like Medela or Spectra? Well, one of the standout features is their wearable breast pump, which is hands-free and highly convenient for moms on the go. Unlike traditional pumps that require you to be tethered to a wall outlet, Momcozy's pump allows for complete freedom of movement. It's a game changer when you need to multitask or even just relax during a pumping session. Next thing you need to know is that the Momcozy pump offers great value for its price. While many top competitors come with a hefty price tag, Momcozy gives you similar functionality, with a few added perks, at a fraction of the cost. For instance, its silicone design makes the pump feel more comfortable and flexible, which is something many moms prefer compared to the harder plastic models from other brands. It's gentle on the skin and still very efficient, so if budget is a concern, Momcozy gives you bang for your buck without sacrificing performance. Now the third thing to keep in mind is the noise level. If you've used other breast pumps before, you know how loud some of them can get. One thing that really impressed me about the Momcozy pump is how quiet it is. It's a great feature if you're planning on pumping in public or at work and don't want to draw attention to yourself. The discreet operation makes it easier to pump without feeling self-conscious. The fourth thing worth mentioning is the battery life. You'll appreciate that Momcozy pumps have long-lasting rechargeable batteries, so you can pump multiple times on a single charge. This is particularly useful when you're traveling or just want the freedom to move around without worrying about plugging in every hour. Next, let's talk about the design. Momcozy focuses on making sure the breast pump is ergonomic and easy to use. The lightweight, compact design is easy to carry in your diaper bag, and cleaning it is a breeze, unlike some other pumps that have a million pieces to scrub. A lot of moms have pointed out how intuitive and user-friendly it is, which makes it perfect for new users who don't want to deal with complicated setups. The sixth thing to consider is the suction power. While some lower-cost models might not have strong suction, the Momcozy pump doesn't compromise on performance. It gives you consistent suction power, similar to more expensive models. Plus, it has adjustable settings, so you can fine-tune it based on your needs, which is crucial for any mom who wants to maintain milk supply. Finally, it's important to mention the customer service. Momcozy has received positive feedback for its responsive and helpful customer support team. This is a big deal because, as a new parent, you need a company that can quickly address any issues you might encounter with your product. From setup to troubleshooting, the Momcozy team is known to be very responsive and helpful. So if you're considering a Momcozy product, don't just take my word for it. Take advantage of the best offer available. Click the first link in the description to try it out for free, and you'll also get exclusive benefits that you can't find elsewhere. Whether you're a first-time mom or looking for a more convenient pumping solution, Momcozy gives you a well-rounded product that holds its own against the competition. If you want to give it a try, don't forget to click the first link below for the best free trial offer and some exclusive perks. You won't regret it.